Good morning, everybody. So, in continuation of my last class, today I will take up generation of benzynes. Okay, benzynes can be generated by many types of reactions. So, first one is by dehydrogenases. Dehydrogenases. That is removal of hydrogen halide, or you can say 1,2 elimination reactions. Elimination of halides. Okay. So first method is dehydrogenases of halides by 1,2 eliminations. So when halides are treated with any strong base, with halide with strong base, can undergo say elimination of 1,2 elimination to give benzynes. Okay, undergo 1,2 elimination to give benzynes. Say for example, say we have this type of halides. Okay, when you extract with base will extract the proton and then lose this, and hydrogen halide is lost. So elimination of hydrogen halides, we got benzyne. So we got this one, and X has halide. So this is one of the methods for generation of benzynes. So one example I will give. Say examples. So one example here I will give. Okay. For examples, when you react with these compounds, these are halides, say this bromide or halide reacts with sodamide, strong base. Okay, sodamide in presence of liquid ammonia at a very low temperature, nearly minus 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, when you treat these halides with a strong base, sodamide in presence of liquid ammonia, then this will give this benzyne. Okay, so it will give ammonia plus hydrogen bromide. So this is one example for generation of benzynes by using other halides. So we remove so this is called dehydrogenases because of the removal of hydrogen halides. And the second one is by reactions of from method for the generation of benzyne is from orthodihydrogenous compounds. Okay, so second one is from it is 1,2 dihalo compounds, aryl compounds. So like this example is, so this is fluoride or this is bromide. Okay, by reacting from this 1,2, or you can say ortho dihalo compounds by reacting with just by using some metals like lithium or magnesium. So this reaction undergo through some organometallic compounds. So like here, so let's say, for example, I will give one example here. So for example, reaction takes place in presence of magnesium. Okay, in presence of magnesium metal, you can have you could have an intermediate MgBr. Okay, magnesium bromide. Then by heating this, just by heating, then you get benzyne will be generated, and then you get this magnesium compound MgBrF. Okay, reaction is like this. Okay, so this is one method. Another example is by reacting with lithium compounds. We are reacting this with lithium compounds. So this is another one. Let's say fluoride, okay, this is iodine, okay, in presence of lithium or beta lithium or alkyl lithium reacting, you will get first you will add lithium organolithium compounds, then heat, you will get this benzyne, okay, and you will get it like this. So from this is the second method for getting the these benzynes. Another third method is from by losing these neutral compounds. So this is second method. Now we can have third methods by loss of neutral species. So one of the best example is from ethanoic acids. So this is NH2 and CO2S. Okay, it's called ethanoic acids. So here in this case, when you use with sodium hydroxide, strong base, alkali, by strong heating. So second method, heating, followed by heating. So first is generated this alkali acids. First is generated to this first. Okay, I will give the examples here. The mechanism of the reactions will be like this. I'll give you mechanism of the reactions from ethanoic acids. So ethanoic acid is first converted to, this is the mechanism. Ethanoic acid is first converted to diazo compounds by reacting with nitrous acids, ICNO2, nitrous acids in presence of ICl. Okay, so it is converted to and the one and positive charge and this or carboxylate. Okay, this is the mechanism of the reactions is like this. So from ethanoic acids we have to lose carbon dioxide, nitrogen molecules will be lost by heat. So this is, we got first this ethanoic acids reacted with nitrous acid in presence of hydrochloric acid, we got a diazo compounds, and by heating this, so we'll get like this. Okay, loss of nitrogen, so we got a benzyne. Benzyne is generated along with nutrient compounds like carbon dioxide and nitrogens are eliminated. So this is one of the methods for generating the these benzynes by using this. Okay, so I'll give some more examples. Okay, for loss of neutral species. So another examples, many examples are here. Some other examples. So for example, say like this, loss of mercury, okay, positive charge and carboxylate. That's by heating. Okay, you got lost this, carbon dioxide is lost and mercury is given like this. So these are another examples for loss of neutral species, mercury plus carbon dioxide. I will give another example also, similar examples, say like this, SME2, Me, positive charge here, sulfur and carboxylates. So this is also by simple heating, you got benzynes are generated along with this carbon dioxide and dimethyl sulfide. Okay, dimethyl sulfide. So we lost this nuclear molecules are lost. So this is one example, another method for generation of benzynes. So another one is third method is last fourth method is benzyne also can be generated from some certain cyclic compounds by reacting with by photolysis or by thermolysis. So third, last one fourth is from certain cyclic compounds mostly by photolysis. So benzynes can be generated from certain cyclic compounds by photolysis. For example, I will give example one here. This type of cyclic compounds, okay, in photolysis, but in presence of light, so this is generated like this. Lost molecules of 2 molecules of carbon dioxide is lost. So these are, so by photolysis, so certain another examples, another cyclic compounds, you can have this type of compounds, cyclic compounds, when you light, okay. So we give this also like earlier like this. So here carbon monoxide is formed, okay. So here carbon dioxide is formed. Carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide are generated. Carbon monoxide plus carbon dioxide. So these are the methods for generation of benzynes from different types of reactions. So I will discuss first one is from dehydrogenases. So by 1,2 eliminations from array halides, and second method is from auto halogen compounds in presence of magnesium or lithium compounds, and third one is by loss of neutral species. So one example is from anthracic acids, and fourth one is from certain cyclic compounds by photolysis. So I am giving this, okay. So these are the methods for generation of this